friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, I am Amanda. Oh my gosh, I have a super great video for you guys today. I am so excited to be collaborating with She's Crafty. I will link all of her information in her videos below. I promise you, if you like my channel, you're going to love her. And if you're from her channel, hello, welcome. If you're one of my subscribers, quick little backstory. I am so sorry. I have been a little bit AWOL. I wanted to do a video every day in October, and the last couple weeks got crazy. I got a promotion at work, and then I was sick. It was kind of crazy. All is good now, and I have a lot of Christmas crafts to show you. So we're gonna get started with this collab video. Again, I cannot wait to show you. Okay, I thought for our very first Christmas video, what would be better than doing a transformation from fall craft? So I love this mason jar sign, so we're gonna flip it over and make it reversible. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is remove the string. Now these strings actually had those, I don't know what they're called. They're like the ends of shoelaces where they're hard so you don't have to untie it. And then I'm just going to give it a coat of chalk paint. This is Waverly, got it at Walmart. Oh, and I stuck my finger in the paint. This is typical crafting with me. Sometimes I think I should have called my channel Messy Crafter. If you're new to my channel, I always use these little bathroom cups from the Dollar Tree to hold my paint. It just works so well, just to get a little bit of paint out. And I'm just using a sponge brush there from the Dollar Tree. I'm doing this real light. I'm almost like dry brushing it, just a little bit more paint than dry brushing would, because I want the background to just stand out, and I want it to look kind of rustic. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of black paint with a little small brush, also I think from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just doing an outline of where my lid is going to be. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to give myself kind of an outline, looking at the back to see kind of where the other one was. Now I'm just taking some gray acrylic paint. I'm doing this pretty quickly because I kind of want to use that white that is already on there just to kind of blend it, just to give it kind of a blended effect. And so I'm just going just over and to my line. It's okay if you go over that line because we're going to do something with that in a little bit. But yeah, I'm just blending it, and here in a minute I decide that I want even a little bit more white paint because I love the look that it is. It's just giving it some shading. I'm just trying to take my brush and kind of a rounded almost motion around the top and the bottom, just to give it that kind of, that depth look of that mason jar lid. Now I'm going back in with my black and just basically just cleaning up that line just to make it a little bit more distinctive from where the lid is with the black paint. Now I didn't really get over the line any, so this is just basically just to outline it. And this is what your mason jar looks like when it is all finished painted. Now, so I just let that dry, and then I'm just showing you here that you can do a lot of different things. I am going to use a Cricut stencil, but if you don't, and that is some contact paper from the Dollar Tree. But if you don't have a Cricut, that's okay, or a vinyl cutter. You can do all kinds of the Dollar Tree sells different letters that you can use. You can paint it on, of course, by hand, or like I showed you just a second ago, those metal words look really, really cute. So yeah. Don't think that you have to have a vinyl cutter to do this craft. I don't think I mentioned before, but it's pretty self-explanatory. The paint is dry by this point, so you want to make sure that paint is dry before you put your stencil down, or it'll take it up. I call it a stencil, but it's really a decal because you're not actually going over it. I'm really having trouble with my letters pulling up too much, but I just want to go real slow and make sure that it comes off real clean. Now here you can do a lot of different things. There's a headband you can use as a bow. You could use some burlap. One of those little red trucks from the Dollar Tree would be cute. All different things you can use here. What I ended up using were these little bows from Dollar General. But again, you can use anything from the Dollar Tree, a ribbon, whatever you want. The tails were a little bit long, so I just cut them. It also had that shiny little bread tie kind of thing in the middle, and I didn't want it to be shown, so I cut just a little bit of the ribbon just to hot glue around it, just so it looked like it was tied with fabric. Now I think that this would be cute just leaned up on against something, but I am going to put the string back on. Here is the finished product. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So cute, guys. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out She's Crafty's video. The link is in the description box below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.